female. It's got some very light freckling under its wing, which indicates it's a female. The plumage is quite dark on the back, and they generally have a darker face. Yeah, that's definitely a female, is this. Just measure the 7th primary wing. 88mm. It's 45 days old, this bird. So that's 6 weeks and 3 days old. Another week and a half, it'll have lost all of this fluffy down here, and it will resemble an adult. And in a week and a half to 2 weeks, it'll be in this barn here, just pronounce so, taking short flights, exercising its wings, and just getting used to life on the outside of this building. But buildings like this are absolutely fantastic for barn owls because they provide shelter from the rain, from the howling wind, as you can hear outside. It just gives them a good start in life when they come out of the nest box and they're underneath, a roof, sheltered. So yeah, barns like this are fantastic, but as you can see, the roof's starting to go in on this building, so how long this building's going to last for, I don't know. But this is the problem that the barn owl faces. Old buildings like this are few and far between, and they're slowly disappearing every year. I see changes every year which are for the benefit of these birds. And it's not always easy finding an alternative nest site from nearby, so sometimes the birds can disappear, but I'll always do my best to make sure that the barn owls here will always have a home. Even if this barn falls down, we'll have to find a site somewhere else close by, hopefully, and put a nest box there. But what an absolutely beautiful bird. It's just... "35 years conserving these birds, and when I just look at them, I still can't take it in what I'm actually looking at. It just absolutely blows my mind. Just the absolute beauty and magic of these birds. It's just absolutely incredible. And it's an absolute honour to be doing this. It's not a hobby or interest for me, it's just a way of life. It's just in my DNA. Just absolutely love it.